So you guys are probably wondering how this Teknikk polar lift works. And you guys probably thought that HTTP service was disabled now. It was removed. You guys might have thought it was removed, but it's actually not being removed. So you're asking yourself, how is this working? How am I supposed to get my Teknikk polar lift working? Well, it's as simple as pie. Let me show you when we get down, because this is really easy and simple to do. So at the top of the screen there'll be an icon that says game settings. Go to that. So this will appear on your screen, a little menu here. So you'll be on basic info. So go down to options, and then go to this allow HTTP requests. Now, do not try and play the game in studio. If you play the game in studio, this is the message you will get. So what you need to do now is you need to publish your game to Roblox, which I'm sure everyone knows how to do. Once you publish the game, press the play icon, and yeah. Wait for your game to load, and then hopefully you're taking the polar lift to work just fine. So there you go, guys. You can still use Teknikk polar lifts in 2019. Trust me. If you follow the steps that I just gave you, it will work. As seen here, all the features will work fine, such as the alarm. Everything will work just fine. The indicator will work, everything will work. You just need to do the steps that I've shown you. So I hope you guys found this tutorial useful. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.
Stop someone missing out on being better off than both parents.